Hello guys, this is Miss Ekman. So what are we going to do today? We're going to learn lesson 8.5 of Business Math 1. And we're almost done with installment loans, okay? So today we're going to learn paying off installment loans. What is the objective of this lesson? It says the student will be able to compute the final payment when paying off an installment loan using only 3 formulas. Okay, when you have an installment loan, okay, you pay interest, guys, on the unpaid balance, okay? You're always going to pay interest. Why? Because the bank is the way that the bank is going to charge you for borrowing their money, okay? You might have a simple interest loan for a car, and this one is very important, and sell the car, okay, before the end of the loan term. I'm going to explain to you why. If you sell your car before you finish paying, you pay only the previous balance plus the current month's interest, okay? So this is known as the final payment. There must be a penalty for paying off the loan early, but it's not that much. But yes, they charge you a little bit for you said, you know what, I was supposed to pay it in 3 years, but I want to sell the car, and with the money that I'm going to get, I'm going to pay it off. So, and they're going to say, okay, instead of 3 years, you're going to pay in 2 years, so I'm going to charge you some money for paying early. It's this business, okay? It's the business, it's the bank business, nothing we can do. Okay, this one is the explanation why. One motive to pay the loan before the end of the term, it is because you save on interest, guys, because you pay less interest than that. And the reason that you have to sell the car before the end of the loan is because you pay whatever you owe and the interest of that month. No, the interest, that they're not going to charge you for the interest of, whatever you have left of paying. Okay, so that is the reason. That's why we have to sell the car before we finish paying. Okay, if you're planning to buy another car, or you don't like that car. Okay, so that's what it is, a smart, way to go. Okay, on the math part, it's really, really easy, okay? So in the example, it's giving you dot, okay? So this is the amount that we're going to use because this person has been paying, $1,800, so $1,800 at 12% for 6 months. So he's been paying 4 months. So we're going to know what is the 5th month, or at the end, how much, she's going to pay or he's going to pay of interest. So, but now he owed $612.34. So he's going to pay that amount. So we need to find that amount plus the interest of that month. Okay? So how are we going to do that? So the first formula, it is we need to find again the interest. It is the first thing, the interest of that month. It is the principal times the rate, that is always a percentage, and times the time. Okay, the principal, that is the new principal. That's what I was showing to you guys. This at the end of the 4th month, what is the leftover? That is my new principal. Okay, so I would say it is 612.34 times the rate. It is right here, guys. It is the 12%. So 12% divided by 100 is going to give me 0.12 times the time. It is always 1/12. And I say, oh, it is a division. Exactly. If it is a division, I'm going to start from the right to my left. So I'm going to do the division, then multiplication, and then another multiplication. So at the end, my interests are going to be $6.12. Those are the interest for that month. So number 2 is going to be the final payment. And what is the final payment, guys? Is the previous balance plus the interest. So I'm going to grab the previous balance, which was 612.34, and I'm going to add the interest, which is $6.12. So at the end, it's going to be 618.46, and that is going to be the final payment. Okay, imagine how much money, that person saved on interest by paying, before that 6 months. Okay, so that is the math involved in this homework. So you have here the interest, you have the previous balance, so you use both of the formulas and you're ready to go. Okay, but if you have any questions, you know where you find me. Okay, bye guys.